Christian, you had a shirt on that said "Finish the fight." Where'd you get that shirt from, and what does that message kind of mean for this team, I guess?
We got that shirt from Coach Harbaugh, Coach Green. You know Coach Harbaugh.
Yeah,
we got it from him, and he gave us a couple shirts, but that's the message we want to see.
And how much has that message kind of prevailed for this team, and especially in this game?
We'll definitely prevail in the next game, but we got to just keep going on to the next one. We'll be preparing for the next game.
Well, Christian, you guys talked about wanting to keep them off the boards, keep them off the line. It's like you guys executed that as well as you could in the first half.
Oh yeah, we did. We did a great job with it. We kept them off the boards. We'll have a chance to get out and get some easy buckets, and that's what led to our running game.
What was so difficult though about the way that they approached the tempo? You guys had that 21-point lead, and they kind of just went really physical, really fast at the end.
Oh yeah, that's the thing about that team. A team like that, you really can't relax. It's a fast game. The whole game, you just got to play the whole 40 minutes.
A guy like Wendell McKinnis, they were comparing him to Draymond yesterday, and maybe not so much today. What did you see from them?
We just tried to limit his touches. That was the main thing. Make things difficult for him. And he got a little frustrated with his team and stuff like that. So that's basically what we did.
How much more versatile is this team now than they were at the beginning of the season?
We're very versatile. We're a totally different team. We got a lot of guys that can come in and play different roles. So we got definitely way more versatile.
You were saying offensively very aggressive early on. Was that just the way the game went, or were you looking to do that right at the start?
That's just the way the game went. I happened to hit a couple shots, and I started feeling pretty good.
And when you probably answered this, but when Jordan gets hot like that, you just kind of stay out of his way, just give him the ball.
Just keep feeding him. That's all. That's basically what you need to do when Jordan gets hot like that.
It's one thing to be here, but to be in the wing hall and the Hoosiers are back with the W in the tournament, what does it mean?
It means a lot. It's been a long time coming in. To actually get that accomplished.
What does it mean to see all those fans, how happy they were, and really nice contingent that came out to Portland?
That's great. Our fans have been with us through the good and the bad. So we got to thank you.